The high winds is making Bird very nervous. He has to face a different direction. He normally faces with his bad wing towards me. That way he could get away. But every time the wind blows, he thinks it's somebody walking up or something. But as you can see, it's very windy out there. 50 plus mile an hour winds. But give him a little kibble. Imagine if he tries to sit up in one of those trees, the branches will beat the daylights out of him. That's why you see a lot of them sitting on the ground in weather like this. Alright, everybody, like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, bird's coming up. Real close up. Hey, bird.